Hello, YouTube friends and family. Remember this shirt from a previous haul? Old Navy has these. You know who this is? LL Cool J. Love this shirt. Love it. So, I went out one day today. Today is Thursday. About March 23rd, something like that. This probably won't go up until, let's see, maybe Sunday, Monday, Wednesday of next week. Because I'm just uploading and spacing them out. But I went back to thumbnail. Okay, went back there. And I got another free box. I paid for 2 phones on my plan. So, hint, hint, wink, wink. I paid for 2 phones on my plan. So, we did another enrollment. Haul first. I'm going to do the box last. So, I got the spa box. The mystery box that was free at your POPSHELF if you sign up for email and text alerts. You can easily unsubscribe if you don't want them, but I probably unsubscribe because I don't think they're going to send coupons, even though they're a part of the Dollar Tree not the Dollar Tree, Dollar General family. They don't do coupons like the $5 off 25 on Saturday. They don't do that. And they, but they do have 90% off seasonals. So keep that in mind. So I just had a little bitty haul, just a little bit from this store. I really restrained myself. I did really good. So, and I don't, oh, okay, so the receipt's in the bag. Good. I only spent $12. And this was, the highest price item. Okay, so if you have one, their stuff is still $1. So go there first before you go to the Dollar Tree. Okay, so I don't need these scissors in my hand. Stab myself in the eye or something. Okay, so these are garbage disposal cleaners, cleaning tabs. And it is 12 in the bag, 12 pods. They're pods, 12 pods. And they are $5. I think I saw those on like Amazon for like $9 or $10. So I say, let me grab those. Because I'm sitting still putting baking soda and lemons and ice. Ice helps sharpen the blades. But this is easier. Just chunk one of these in every week so it won't stink, it won't get flies, all that good stuff. And then I saw these, Biscoff and Go. These are going in an Easter basket. So this is the sticks and the cookie butter. So I got to hide that from cameraman. He was hunting the other night like, ain't nothing sweet in the house when he know all the Easter basket sweets I put up. So, these are going in a basket. Cranberry blend trail mix. And this is a 3-ounce package. $1. This is going in a basket. And this is cashew, halves and pieces, roasted and salted. And it is 1.8 ounces, $1. And I was actually trying to eat one, but then I didn't. So I bought 2 of those, 2 of the cashews. And then I bought 2 of these. So remember what I said, go here first before Dollar Tree. These are $1 at Dollar Tree. And I love to keep these for my preps. Just in case we want nachos, I can use these. Or something like that with the taco meat. Put them over the chips. You got nachos. And then that way we don't have to open a whole jar if we're only eating it one night. This is enough for one night. So now for the mystery box. Yes. I'm excited to see what's in here. Hopefully you caught my other video where I opened the favorites box. If not, I will link it up here so you can go see that one. See what's in each box so you can make an informed decision. At the favorites is kind of the same thing. She said some of it might differ just slightly. So you can have an idea of which box you want for free. And again, I'm saving this grass for my Easter baskets, okay? So here's the box. Very nice, very presentable. And I like it. Me like a lot. I like this a lot. Okay, so what we have is a body cream souffle. Ooh, we're gonna smell and test too. We also have a big sponge, bath sponge, sea sponge. Then we have some emery boards. And we have a sleep mask. I wonder what this retails for. There's no prices. But I'm sure this is at least, maybe, I think this stuff sells for about $5 or $3. So, you know, this might be about a $10 box for free. So go, if you have one in your area, if you're in Jacksonville, for me, because I'm on the northern end, for me, it's like going to Costco on the west side. It's like going to Regency or whatever. It's 30 minutes max, tops, 30 minutes for me to get to this POPSHELF. So it's like me going anywhere else. If I go to Avenues on the south side, I'm going to spend the same amount riding. So it's not a real big stretch at all. It's like 30 miles, which Jacksonville is so spread out, not a problem. So this is the box. Let's smell the souffle. And then, okay, so I can't get it. Well, I guess we won't be smelling the souffle here. Guess we won't. Oh, okay, I'm doing it wrong. That's the problem. Okay, and it's sealed. So let's see. Okay, so the seal comes off easily. Oh, it's thick. It ain't moving. It ain't moving. It's thick. So that might be some pretty good cream. I almost want to put this in the Easter basket. It smells okay. It smells like a cream. And is it a flavor? Born to Stand Out, Onyx Bathhouse, Unicorn Dreams. It smells okay. It ain't nothing to write home about. It's not a Bath and Body Works. Let's see how it moisturizes my hands. Let's see. Let's see if it moisturizes. Okay, it does the job. It's a good moisturizer because I'm probably going to be ashy. I got two more videos to film. I did, like I say, a big Costco haul today. I have not been all year. I have not been to Costco. I probably hadn't been since before Christmas. So, you know, that had to be a huge haul. It was $285. I'm not doing it because all that stuff is put up. It was cold. It's put away. It's done. But I will tell you, to my garden buddies, Costco has the big long bag of garden soil. It's on sale this month. I don't know when the sale ends, but it's $7.50, which is the cheapest price you're going to find for Miracle Grow raised bed. Miracle Grow raised bed soil. It is the long bag. So I bought 5 of those. That was like $35 off of the total. So yeah. So this ends my haul. I hope you like this video. I hope you are able to partake in Pop Shelf. That's my new favorite store. If you're in Jacksonville, it's so peaceful when you shop in Kingsland. It is so, all the stores are so organized and clean. I mean, oh gosh, they just make you want to spend money because the store is so, all of them. The Pop Shelf, I went to Ollie's. Now, Ollie's, it's neat and clean for Ollie's. I went to Marshall's. They have tons of red tag stuff in there. The store's clean, neat, organized. I was like, okay, this is my new favorite spot. Then I got a special video, probably already released, about Ace. I went to Ace. So I go out and I film and I shop, but we finna get back out in that garden, or I'm gonna have to change my name. Cause I was thinking about that today. I keep doing hauls and shopping and hauls and shopping, but I try to tie the garden into it. But again, I got hit by a truck. So I can't be out there like this. I'm unproductive because it hurts. So bear with me, stick with me, people. We are almost at those 1,000 subscribers. Am I gonna have 1,000 videos before I get 1,000 subscribers? Let's see. Hopefully not, but if you are new to this channel, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Go watch a playlist or two. And thank you for your time. Get out there and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Prep and pray. And I love you to life. Bye-bye.